Hey guys, welcome to our Education. This is Magesh Kumar. In this video, we will see how to install Jupyter Notebook without Anaconda, right? So in last video itself, I have shown you how to install the Python. And if you follow the last video only, this will be possible. So you just, first of all, you watch the how to install the Python in the playlist. And after that, you come and watch this video. So let's move on to the video. Just see, I will, first of all, I will open the command prompt. So after opening the command prompt, I will move on to the folder the Python is installed. Okay, so just I will move back, double dot, and after that again give double dot back symbol and give Python. So Python 3.10.1. So this is the folder I have installed the Python, and after that again give the slash, and after give a yes and give tab. So here only we are going to install the Jupyter Notebook. Okay. So after entering the folder, I need to give the pip command, pip install notebook. So this command will help us to install the Jupyter Notebook. So let us see. I will give enter. So after giving enter, it start installing. So let's see. The command is running. So in this, if you install the Jupyter Notebook like this, means you no need to install the Anaconda. If you are running the Jupyter Notebook by Anaconda, means Anaconda will occupy more and more space. And if your laptop is 4 GB or below 4 GB, means it will occupy nearly 500 to 600 MB in your RAM. So it is the best way to install the Jupyter Notebook. So I think so almost completed. Now installing packages is running. So string up, okay. So now see here, the Jupyter Notebook was installed, right? So now I will go to the file manager and open the folder where I have installed. So I need to go to the local disk C, and where is I have installed, and see here, this is a Python folder, and here this is a script. So here I have installed a Jupyter Notebook, right? So this is the Jupyter Notebook. I will right click and you open. So it is opening, the command is running. So now the Jupyter Notebook is opened. Hey ho, and see here, the thing is open, right? So now I need to bookmark this every time. It's impossible to go to the folder and we need to open it. So for this, I will tell you one simple method. I will bookmark this link, right? So what I am going to do is I will go on to the more tools and I will create a shortcut here. Create a shortcut. So here I will give Jupyter Notebook, and in the bracket I will give the Python version, Python 3.10.1. It's the latest version, right? So I will create a shortcut in the desktop. So I will close this window. Let us see. I will close this and I go to the desktop and see here the this is the shortcut I have created, right? Jupyter Notebook Python 3.10. So in this shortcut, I need to change some of the configurations. So here I need to change the target, and also I need to change the start in also. So where I need to start in is I will give the local disk C. I mean E, sorry, local disk E. So after that, in the target, I need to change the everything, right? So I have the target here. This command you need to give. Okay. So if you are changing the location of the Jupyter Notebook files, means you can change this to D local disk or E or F, anything else. And here you can also give slash, and you can mention the another folders, and like this you can do. Okay, that's your ways, and I'm using like this, and I will paste the target here. Okay, so all the thing is applied, right? I will give apply, and I will give okay, and again I will click on this. First, before that I close the existing window, and again I will click on it, and see here the Python Jupyter Notebook is opening. Hey, it's open, superb. Okay, so this is how we can open, and then this I will show you. Just create a one new file. This is a Python 3, and here you can open a Jupyter Notebook, and here you can type the Python commands. Welcome you all. Superb, and I will click on run. Hey, superb, it's running. That's it. This is finished video, and thanks for watching. Please do subscribe for the Up to Education. Thank you.